Everyone's very happy, obviously. Who's the translator? The other translator.
Kako je voli?
Ti jedini razumiješ.
Svi izgledaju jako sretni. To je očigledno.
Everyone's very happy to see each other. Is it? So happy to see each other?
Yeah.
Zar nije tako?
Yes.
So devotees are naturally happy.
Wrong translation. New translation. I'm not wrong. New translation.
Don't change it. Don't give your own footnotes.
Nemoj mijenjati. Nemoj dati svoje vlastite pismotne.
You'll get a lot of trouble if you change it. So, yeah, devotees are naturally happy, and when they come together, they become more happy. So I'm also very happy to see all of you.
Ja sam isto tako jako sretan što vidim sve vas.
And Anandam Buddhi Bhartanam. I guess it will get better as the time goes on.
I nadam se da će se i vjerujem da će se to povećavati kako vrijeme prolazi.
And the happiness is that of hearing and chanting about Krishna, serving his devotees, associating with his devotees. And that's what we plan to do here in the next few days. So we don't want any mundane talk. We'll attempt to keep the atmosphere completely pure by sticking to topics of Krishna consciousness. By the force of circumstances, we have to, we should never talk about various political matters or any such things. We try to avoid. But by the force of circumstances at this particular festival, we have to be extremely careful not to speak anything which can be misconstrued in any way, which gives us a very good, it forces us to keep the topics concentrated on Krishna and Krishna consciousness. So that's a great blessing. Let the world whirl around outside. We shall be in the eye of the storm. You know what the eye of the storm means?
Znate što znači to oko oluje?
When there's a cyclone, you've never been in a cyclone. I've been in many. Anyway, what sometimes happens is there's a tremendous, wind, rain, thunder, lightning,
kiša.
And all of a sudden, it just stops. And it becomes completely calm and peaceful. And you think it's all over.
I odjednom.
But what happened is actually the center, you got in the center of it, the center of the storm, and after a short time it again starts, you get on the other side, moves in on you. So like that, before and after this festival, and all around it, there may be all kinds of storms, but we shall, at least for this time, be in the center and chant Hare Krishna, forget all that stuff, which is the only real solution to all these various talks, ups and downs, ins and outs. We can manipulate, confabulate, and postulate, and on and on and on. I hope you know what all those words mean. At the end of life we have to remember Krishna. And in this life also we have to try to communicate Krishna consciousness to others. So the storm of this material world will go on. Throughout the whole storm we should remain calmly fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna. Or at least fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna. If not calmly, at least fixed at the lotus feet. It's like Arjuna, Krishna didn't want him to be calm. He wanted to be calm, but Krishna didn't want him to be. Arjuna said, I want to be peaceful. Krishna said, forget it. Not Krishna bhakta nishkamati vishanta. Bhakti mukti shiti kami shakaliya shanta. The devotee of Krishna is peaceful at heart because he has no material desire. Distress, mental disturbance is caused by material desires. So at this festival, all our distress will leave outside. Various things to be left outside. Leave outside material desires, leave outside distress. If you happen to have a dog, leave that outside also. At the Lithuanian festival, someone brought a dog. So no dogs. And chant Hare Krishna, of course. And be happy. Everyone's happy. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Alright, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama
Hare Rama